Hi, this is Kate from PageFly. When you publish the PageFly page, you can see the Shopify default section you created in the theme appear above the PageFly section and don't know how to hide the Shopify default section. This video is perfect for you as I will guide you how to hide Shopify default section in PageFly. I will divide it into two cases, which are hide Shopify's default section in the Shopify theme 1.0 and theme 2.0. Let's start with theme 2.0. Like Dawn, Narrative, etc. In this video, I will work on Electro theme. For Shopify OS 2.0 themes, you can quickly access the theme editor of the page right inside the PageFly editor page. Click on the three dots icon on the top right, select Go to Theme Editor. You also can access Theme Editor by going to Shopify Admin Dashboard, then access the online store. In the theme page, hit the Customize button here. You can find the page in the search bar with the page ID. To get the page ID, go back to your editor page. You will see it in the page URL like this. On Theme Editor page, click the eye icon to hide or show the sections from the theme. After finishing, hit the Save button and check the page on Live View. Next, I will guide you how to hide the default section in theme OS 1.0, such as Debut theme. With this theme, you can easily hide the default product details. Click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, click on Page Settings. In Page Settings, go to General Settings, then scroll down to Theme Sections. You will see the option to show or hide the default product details in header footer here. To hide the default product details, you just need to deselect the option like this. Remember to save publish the page to see the result in live view. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.